We notice that our affair has always been a success. And even this morning, it was really a very grand performance. That was the feedback this morning. And I have to tell you, to each and every one of you, the reason why our affairs with Kalayaan has been a success for the past 3 years. That is because of the full cooperation of Data College of the Philippines. And I would like to salute our President, Mr. Joseph Zico, to our Dr. Bunwan, to Ma'am Arlene, and all the other officers, to Ma'am
Arlene,
Ma'am Mitz Respicio, and all the students of Data College who have been supporting our programs. Naawang kayo, oray kasalok kapintas ti plano ni Dr. Thailand. It will not be possible. So every now and then, for these past weeks, I have been communicating to Sir, to Doctor, to Ma'am Arlene, and even to my daughter, because I cannot really make your affair a success. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you, to Data College, and of course the students of Ilocos Norte National High School for helping me with the program, with the anim kasapulan, then anim dito malipatag sudat di fulfill. But we have to listen also na kay Sir na I would like to, awrit awan di kita dyan. Why I would like to turn over is tabalik the responsibility na ang coordinate ka diti Kalayaan. One reason is that there are other people I know who can manage your affairs. We can help in our special way. And perhaps in managing our foundation day, Jalat Amok Sir.
Can I answer you back? Kaya yung angot, Ilocos Norte National High School, may give up sa Valley? You like? Honestly. Stand up. Stand up. If you don't like. Stand up. Stand up if you don't like.
You don't like.
You like her to be continued, right? Stand up there. Stand up. Everybody stand up. How about the Data College? Stand up. They said, no. How can it be? Manida amin Apo Thailand, the reason why I choose you, because I can yell on you. Okay? That is the reason. Say this my relative. Okay? Oray mo takusunan na computer, oray mo nagsasaalan na, ito lang namin, relax ka lang. Don't mind them. Why you mind them? Why you will be affected? Apit na oray mo, kayang-kayang na tao, nagbuyang-buyang ito, bibigyan mo naman. Aramidan, di kasayaan, aramidan. Apal na tapos na jay, di ba? You know how to delegate. You know how to ask people. You know how to create people. And you know how to create friends. Kasama pa lang ganyan yung kami ni Mr. Sito, mga nga siya inutlaan. Napursaran ka na pa nakilayitan niya na, you are open your heart to be the friends, friendship schools or friendship partners. Not in real life, ha? Okay? Kung apay nga tayo kung may sulat ko, ganito, nalpas ko ni kamagis na sa bagyang mutlaan. Yung awatan ni Dr. Sito na sulat coordinator, tayo may tawag. Yung mayatakbat na ha, Mr. Sito. Alahan ng ating atensyonan. Gusto nga si Kamong Ilatang siguro na may tawag naman. But we have focus. That's why I like Sherbert to be there tonight. Yeah, tonight. Lloyd and Manang Lidel, maybe he's over there. Arsenio Pasqua ni Hasmin, nung gidon ni Mr. Sico, kung makamay dyan yung marabiyan, ilay kwarto agi inom kayo itika. So, trace lang ang ara. Okay. At susunod na rin tayo kumabasit, we will plan ahead. Tanungan niya, mag-lagi o magsalita tayo. Maybe tulad at ang Dr. Teresita Enesan. She is my design. So, naipagat na tinimay ang katayan kita Donya bigyan na ikastang na coordinator mo namin, and we are happy to work with them. We are working close relationship with them. Siguro kung isunod lang kung natatong bakuna, magpabago-bago kayo, mabago-bago mag-design concept na ramidan din sa organization. So, I am very saddened for what Dr. Thailand showed to me last night. Twice na wala lang diwa sa kapatid. So might be or might not, I will grant your request, but the yes is 3%, the no is 97%. So there is a big boom. Yung naman dito na nabihin ang tapos tayo, basta yun na niya pinapita sa rabito kayo. Maybe we can finalize the matter. Thank you. Nagyamang tapo na ito ulit. And I will see you with data na may kasama natin